The central government on Monday invited 40 protesting farmer union leaders for the next round of talks on December 30th to find a logical solution to the current impasse over the three new farm reform laws. The government's invite followed a proposal made by unions last week to hold the talks on December 29th. Although the protesting farmers had insisted that the meeting be held to discuss the repeal of the three laws, the government's letter calling for talks remains open-ended and only says that discussions be held on the issues arising out of the agricultural reforms. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Monday said that Nobel laureate Amartya Sen is being attacked by the BJP for his views against the union government after Vishwa Bharati, a central university, named this 87-year-old laureate among squatters on its land. Banerjee last week had written a letter to Sen expressing her anguish after the 100-year-old Central University had said that Sen's family was in illegal possession of land on the campus. Amartya Sen is being attacked for his views against the union government, and this is completely unacceptable. Just like I am being attacked for my political views, she said while talking to reporters on Monday. The Karnataka cabinet on Monday decided to promulgate an ordinance to give effect to the contentious anti-cow slaughter bill that is yet to be approved by the Legislative Council. Once it comes into effect, there will be a blanket prohibition of slaughter of cows in the state. However, slaughterhouses will continue to function and beef consumption will not be prohibited with respect to buffalo meat. The anti-cow slaughter law is not new. We have had it for decades. Previously, there was a ban on slaughter of cows until the age of 13. We have extended it with an intention that older cows should not be left out. Since the prohibition does not extend to buffaloes, there is no ban on beef consumption, Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister J.C. Madhuswamy said. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut on Monday took on the BJP-led government at the centre, accusing it of using the central agencies as weapons against his family members of political opponent after the Enforcement Directorate summoned his wife Varsha Raut. Raut alleged that BJP leaders have been indirectly forcing him to topple the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra and that the ED action reflected their frustration against him as he did not yield to the pressure. When you can't finish off your opponents politically, weapons such as ED or CBI are being used blatantly against their family members, Raut said. The Serum Institute of India, which is manufacturing the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, has already stockpiled 40 to 50 million dosages of the COVID-19 vaccine, the company's CEO Adar Poonawalla said on Monday. He added that the firm will be able to produce around 300 million doses by July 2021.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.